Hi everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. Actually, these are some silver collections. So let's quickly open this. So here is the packet itself, nothing more. So let's open this. So inside, first what we notice is Italy set. Here is the coin. This is a 500 layer Italy coin. And the certificate. So let's check other collections. And here we have some 3 1/4 rupees of George VI King and one dime of US. So let's check others. Here we have Victoria Empress 2 annas of 1897, and another coin is 1910 2 annas of Edward VII King. And the next one is 1/4 rupee of 1936 of George V King, and one more George V King 1/4 rupee of 1918. So these are newly added in silvers. Other few collections we have. So here we have another coin, and this one is 1 rupee of 1945. This you can check here. L mentioned at the floral design down. L for Lahore. So 1 rupee 1945 Lahore Mint. And another collection we have here is 1 franc of Switzerland. One is of 1940, another one is 1966, and another one is 1914. You can see here 1914, 1940, and 1966. And here we have 2 coins. This is a silver coin of Austria during the year 1957, This is a 10 shilling of silver. This is also a silver coin. And here what we have is a 50 fils of Iraq. It is also a 50% silver coin. And here we can see it's a Mexico coin. And here we have $3/4. You can see the year 1964 and 1963, the next 1964 again. All are of silver. So the one thing we didn't open is this. You can see like 1/4 rupee 1942. Again same 1/4 rupee 1942. The third also is the same 1942. And what we have here is a dime of, I mean, 1 dime of America, USA. Year is of 1940. So that's all, guys. That's all we have in this silver collections. Hope you like the video. Hit the like button.